És lezárult. Okay, so to stop the TV from automatically powering off after you haven't touched the remote control for 2 hours, press the wheel button on the remote control here in the upper right corner. Wheel. Now come down, because we are up there, using the arrows, down arrow. Come down to all settings, using the center button, enter there into all settings. Come down to general, go to the right, down to energy saving, enter there using the center button. Come down to auto power off, enter there, and auto power off not after 2 hours, but let's say 4 hours or 6 hours. Let's put it to only 4 hours. Extending a period of time of the auto power off setting or turning off the function may increase energy consumption. Do you want to continue? Yes. From up and down. The white is the selected one. So now no will be selected. Now yes will be selected. Center button. And now it is set to 4 hours. So if you don't touch the remote control for 4 hours, the TV will power off. Now exit from here using the same settings button, the wheel again, and that's it.